We'll solve the mystery. Ray, have you had your lunch?
Yes, I have, yes.
Right guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping safe and well. So as you can see, Dad is out with the TW20 and our Amazon pneumatic spreader. He's applying Avadex to some of the ground that we've drilled with winter wheat. And it's a little bit sticky in the fields. That's why he's opted to use the TW20 on the terra tyres. Avadex is a herbicide. It creates a chemical barrier on the ground, so it's applied pre-emergent, so any germinating weeds come through are controlled by the Avadex, which is applied in micro granular form, hence why we're using the pneumatic spreader. This is the only job this old spreader does. Every year we get it out just for this Avadex job. It's been pretty wet in the last few days since we finished the last bit of drilling, hence why Dad's opted for the terra tyres. Ground conditions aren't perfect. The Avadex is such an important chemical to get on the ground before the wheat comes through. It's the first step in controlling blackgrass. A combination of the Avadex application plus another pre-emergence liquid spray that I'll apply with our sprayer. Those two combined are sort of your beginning steps in controlling blackgrass for the season. So it's very important we get it on. And like I said, because of the rain, because it's a little bit sticky in the field, Dad's using the old TW20 with those terra tyres, which do a pretty good job. Just realised I was standing underneath the wind turbine there. Well, we've got sunshine now. Dad's carrying on with the Avadex and I'm just going in front, getting down the road to the next field. It's a pretty wide bit of kit. This thing's like a transformer. Just come to check if this 20-acre block here will drill, because I've got some seed stock, some winter wheat seed stock to get drilled here, and it'd be nice to get this done this afternoon, as there's a fair bit more rain on the forecast for tomorrow and the day after, I think. Bit of moisture just under the surface, but on top it's fairly dry, so yeah, I think it'll go. I think it'll go. Be good to get it done. It's this 10-acre here, that 10-acre there, and like I said, it's winter wheat that we're growing on for seed stock. It'd be nice to get it in the ground now before the weather changes again. We'll solve the mystery. Ray, have you had your lunch?
Yes, I have, yes.
See, Ray isn't just a figment of mine and Dad's imagination. He is actually real. This is Ray.
Oh, yeah.
conditions aren't 100%. It is a little bit sticky, but there's going to be a lot of rain tomorrow. The forecast doesn't look good. It's not too bad. I think now I've made a start. I've got to see it through. It's picking up on the tyres on the drill, but the tyres on the tractor are running clean. The coulters, where the seed's coming out, they're picking up a bit of mud, but it's not blocking the holes where the seed comes out. So yeah, I think just gotta go with it. I'm not sure what the long-term forecast is, but last week was pretty iffy. This week, it is annoying it's going to rain tomorrow because it's my birthday. I'll be 29 tomorrow, and normally when it's my birthday, I can almost guarantee that I'm out drilling, but I won't be tomorrow, so I'll be doing something different. This is a variety of wheat called Scout, which is a pretty old variety, but it's one that we've grown a lot in the past and we get on well with it. So this is being planted now to harvest for seed stock for next year. So all being well, we'll have our own seed cleaned and dressed, ready to drill this time next year. Actually, no, I tell a lie. What am I talking about? This variety is X days in this 10-acre field, what I'm drilling now, and what I'll be putting in next door in a little while, that's Scout. So yeah, a bit of a build up on the tyres and on the coulters here, but this is where the seed comes out, just under here, and that's clear, so that's all good. I knew it was going to be a little bit sticky, but there we go. Just have a little look in here. Yep, there we go. See some wheat seeds in there. It's yeah, it's dry on top, but it's sticky just a little bit underneath, so that's why it's sort of been building up on the drill a little bit. I don't think I'll be getting it rolled in today, that's for sure. Welcome to the very messy pumpkin patch. I say messy because, as you can see, we've got a fair few weeds in the patch. This is my first ever time growing pumpkins. It's something I've wanted to do for a while, so back in the spring I thought, why not, let's get some growing. So what I did is I used an old scuffle on the back of the little 5300, created a bit of an area here, worked it down and planted all the seeds by hand with the help of my little boy. And because, well, just got busy with lots of other things, pretty much just left them to it. There was zero weed control, which in hindsight was probably not the best thing to do, because we've got thistles sort of like this, and in the middle there it's pretty much just grass and weeds and no pumpkins in the middle. But yeah, even though I just sort of left them to it, there's some pumpkins. We have got some pumpkins. Now, not all of them are ready to pick, but there are some that are ready. So that's what we're going to do this morning. We're going to get some pumpkins picked. Most of these pumpkins in here are a variety called Connecticut. Take him, for example, he's ready. His mate is ready as well. And like I said, pretty much did nothing with them, so there was no pruning involved. One pumpkin plant can grow more than one pumpkin. As you can see, this one here, where there's two, there's a smaller, not quite ready one, but there's a bigger one, which is ready to go. And here's a nice round orange one as well. That's a good one. A nice, another big one there. Whew, he's a big one.
Daddy, when we pick pumpkins, I'll lose all my strength.
Yeah, you got to use all your strength, buddy. You're a strong boy, aren't you? Are you going to drive?
Yeah.
All right, sit on my lap then. I've got the trailer on, put the pumpkins in. No, you can go on the grass. You're a better driver than me, buddy. You're going to go into that gate there, okay?
Yeah.
Then we're going to go up there, all the way up to the pumpkin patch. That's a good spot. Oh, yeah, you turned it off. Run, buddy, high five. Yeah.
This one's looking squishy.
Oh, yeah, that one is squishy, isn't it?
Yeah, look at a pattern.
Should we do it together?
Yeah.
Should we put it in?
Yeah.
Look at that, that's a good one, isn't
Yeah, we
it?
get a little blue one now.
So there's a little blue one. The blue ones have grown quite small, haven't they? This is a different variety, Oliver. These are a blue variety.
Are you allowed to pick that?
I think it's actually ready. It doesn't look ready because it looks quite small, but I think that's ready to pick.
Heavy.
Yeah, good boy, that's it.
I'll do the blue one. Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work, buddy.
Should I go and collect some more now?
I think we should. Okay, shall we unload them? Oh, look at that's a big one, isn't it? I think that's the biggest one we've had so far, that is.
That's a daddy one.
That's a daddy one, is it? Go get some more then.
Really?
We'll do one more trailer, yeah? We'll call it a day, because it's not very nice out here. You've got to wait till it stops before you turn it off, buddy. Right, let's load up one more trailer then, I think. Yeah.